Hi everyone. Here we have a Best WCP3I3 SB wall hood. And what I'm going to show today is, how to get at the main components for changing. We're going to look at how to change the lights, how to change the switch assembly, and all main components. First thing to do, always make sure you have your safety gear on. First thing you would do is you would remove the filters. And it's basically you're just pushing down and pulling out. There's spring tension that holds them in. This light panel removes by removing two screws. There's one on the left and one on the right. And I'm going to go ahead and move these two screws. That's one. And that's two. And there's actually a third one. There's one in the center as well. So 3 screws, light panel comes down. Here are your light assemblies. These are just pulled. And there you can get at the light assemblies. Light assemblies, they're actually like a push tab. Just push them in, they'll pop right out for you. So I'm going to go ahead and set that light panel on the side. All right. As far as the switch assembly is located right here in the nose of the hood. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this panel here. There's a few screws. There's a screw here, a screw here. There's also a screw in the center, and there's one on each side, and I'm going to go ahead and get these removed here. That's one. That's two. That's 3. And that's 4. And there'll be one more in the center here. And once those screws are removed, this plate comes out. So here you have access to the transformer, to just a screw on each side. And I can just kind of let this hang here. Remember, this is sitting on a table. It's not mounted on the wall, just for filming purposes. Located up inside this unit here is the switch assembly. And there's going to be a screw here and a screw here. And I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws here. Everything is plug and play. And there is the switch assembly. And again, these are all just quick connects. They can just pull apart, and there you have the switch assembly. And all you would do is repeat the process for installing the new parts. If you have any questions, please call our technical support. I hope this video helps.